Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Monday, April 24. Prime Minister Andrew Holness says government will be taking a closer look at the management and approval process for developments in the country as it seeks to reduce the impact of severe weather conditions. The Prime Minister's statement comes in response to the flooding caused by heavy rainfall over the weekend. Following a preliminary briefing on the impact of the heavy rain Sunday morning, Mr. Holness says it is clear that the existing drains in the country were not built to accommodate the large volume of water from the 2 days of rainfall. Going forward, he says a program must be developed to expand and manage the country's infrastructure. In the meantime, the Prime Minister says government will continue to help persons who have been impacted by the heavy rains. Clarendon, Portland, and St. Thomas have reported instances of flooding. 500 commercial and residential National Water Commission customers in and around Port Antonio are to benefit from a new sewerage system. A contract worth over $1 billion has been signed to facilitate the construction, which should be completed in the next 16 months. It represents Stage 2 of the Port Antonio Water, Sewerage and Drainage Project and is being funded through an Inter-American Development Bank (IDB) loan. Portfolio Minister Dr. Horace Chang says the new system will help to reduce groundwater contamination and enhance Port Antonio's image as a tourism haven.
Putting in this infrastructure is designed to provide a foundation on which we can build out the town itself and ensure that the environment is protected and maintained in pristine form.
Government's drive to increase engagement with the diaspora has resulted in the establishment of a dedicated department in the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade. Portfolio Minister Senator Kamina Johnson-Smith says the Diaspora Department will allow for a more focused and effective engagement of Jamaicans living overseas.
Furthermore, in order to explore feasibility of proposals and to operationalize the Economic Growth Council's call to action in respect of harnessing the diaspora, we have established, in conjunction with the EGC, the Diaspora Engagement Task Force. And this task force is chaired by a member of our diaspora, Dr. David Panton.
The Health Ministry has received 6 ambulances under the European Union-funded Program for the Reduction of Maternal and Child Mortality, PROMAC. The program is being implemented with a grant of over 22 million euros or more than 3 billion Jamaican dollars.
Today, we are attempting under the PROMAC program, with the tremendous assistance of the European Union, to improve our capacity to respond, and particularly in the area of logistics, moving persons from one institution to the next in order to give them the best quality care.
The ambulances will help with referrals and benefit all 4 health regions, going specifically to Chapelton, Alexandria, Mandeville Regional, Onoto Bay, and Savannah Lamar hospitals. One is also going to the St. Jago Park Health Center. At the handing over ceremony, PROMAC pins were also presented to 36 healthcare workers who received training in how to operate and utilize the units. The National Works Agency is appealing for the public's patience and cooperation with the new traffic changes on Mandela Highway. On Saturday, the 2 eastbound lanes of the highway between the Highway 2000 off-ramp and the Ferry Police Station were closed to facilitate drainage work and the lifting of that section of the corridor. The eastbound traffic has been shifted to occupy 2 lanes on the southern side of these lanes, allowing them to continue on their eastbound journey. Those motorists traveling from Kingston towards Spanish Town have been diverted to 2 newly created adjacent lanes.
This will obtain until we are able until we have completed the work on the Fresh River Bridge. At that point, we will then put traffic over that bridge, and the motoring public would have been experiencing a bit of what the new Mandela Highway will feel like.
The new traffic arrangements should be in place for the next 4 months. And finally, the Montego University College will be focusing on crime and violence and its impact on society when the school hosts its 2017 Research Day this Wednesday, April 26. The event will be held on the Montego campus under the theme Education Reimagined Toward a Solution for Crime and Violence. Montego's president, Dr. Asburn Pinnock, says the aim is to have stakeholders discuss the role that education plays in dismantling crime.
We are playing our role at the Micro University College, and we believe that we have to look at it from a scientific perspective, from a research base.
Dr. Pinnock was speaking during a recent JIS think tank. He revealed that the Micro Research Day 2017 will have practitioners and researchers from all levels of the education system sharing their experiences, research and findings to craft solutions to common challenges. JDF Chief of Defense Staff, Major General Rocky Meade, will be the guest speaker. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.